Hey guys, is the stream live? Yeah. Hey guys, so it's day 4 of the stream, and today we are going to make that bouncing ball project that was on MDN. And initially, I wanted to leave that out, just go through the code and get to know what they are doing, but uh, at last they had something where they were bouncing balls from each other, uh, adding collision detection, and that really intrigued me. So we are going through making this project, and let's see how it goes, how it works. So what they say to begin with the local copies of these three files. Let's just copy them. Bouncing balls, CSS. Is it index.html only? Yes, it's index.html. So check out. Cool. Index.html, style.css. CSS. And main.js. So what are they adding in the index file? So they are adding just one h1 and one canvas. Uh, let's just increase the text size, and the styles they are adding basic styles, margin 0 for the HTML and body, and overflow hidden, and for the H1 they are styling the H1. So yeah, cool. And main.js, they are selecting the canvas element. They are what the context here. Oh, that's I'm not right. So I'm live now. Inspect. Yep. My position absolute. Probably they need it for something. But yeah, that's kind of weird. What does this give? CTX console.log CTX console canvas rendering context 2D. I guess it's a canvas function that we'll get to know in the future sections. But I haven't worked with canvas, so I also have no idea. So basically, it has some direction, style, font. You can draw on canvas, I know that. So I think there are properties for on how a line would look and how text would look. So you can write stuff on canvas. So makes sense. Okay, let's go further. Let's close all this. Hmm. Our simple HTML document featuring H1 and okay. they are explaining the script. Yeah. So there are two functions: random min max, which takes the min and max value and uh, gives the random number, and random color for, I guess, coloring the balls, modeling the ball. So um, makes it. So we add a ball. Ball is a constructor that takes x, y, and well x, well y, color, size. So what are these? X, Y are the coordinates where the ball starts. Horizon, oh, velocity is well x and well y. So, and given y, near to y. Color, each ball gets a color, and size, each ball gets a size. Drawing the ball, first add the following draw method, the ball class. So, okay, yeah, so this is how CTX is used. It's used to draw basically, and it's making an arc uh, of, it's making actually a circle, and it's filling it with the color, and this was the colors. So this is the draw function, and cool. What are the arguments for this function? Number radius is 0, start angle, end angle, to x number, y number. Okay, radius is size here, and radius is size. Start angle is 0. Okay, and the end angle is a number, and counterclockwise is a boolean. Okay, cool. That we don't need. Let's create a new ball. It's a simple calling of that function. So it's calling that this constructor. Okay. Okay. And we don't need this. And we can go see the code. We'll have a ball here. Yeah. Okay. What are they doing? They are okay. They are checking if the x direction and the size is greater than the width. Where are we taking the width though? Okay, they are defining height and width here. So that's it. And then they are just checking. you'll have to call the update function again and again, animating the ball. Yes. Now when we start adding the ball on the camera, and it's going to create somewhere to show all the ball. Okay, so we are creating 25 balls using this code. Let's take this test one. So we are creating an array of balls, and then we are uh, giving it a random size, creating a new ball, and then pushing the ball into that array. So they are just making the background black using this code, and then they are making balls and updating them. Then their request animation, like taking the ball in every request animation way. And then if we call the loop function, it should work right now without the collision. Yup. Oh my god. Oh, this is good. Okay, they are using canvas, so it requires changing. But this is good, and this is actually very good. Uh, it looks nice. Why is the height matching? The height should match. H1 body. Yep. Hmm. Yep. I guess. Yep. It's basically when I'm doing this, then obviously the height is lesser. So I get what's happening. Hmm. Cool. This is coffee cool. This is very cool. Collision detection. That's a ball class. Ball class. What they are doing for every ball. If this not equals to ball. Okay, okay. If this ball is means that the ball that is coming from array is not equals to this current ball that is the made from the class. Dx cos dx is equals to this dot x minus ball. It's actually like very thought out because um and they are actually like calculating the distance, and then they are adding both of the sizes of both of the balls. So it's actually very thought out that they have done this, and obviously this is something that we expect from this kind of documentation. Don't worry if you don't know. I understand it. Now it's actually very easy. Uh, it's simple stuff. It's nothing very difficult to understand. But yeah, it was very impressive. Like uh, I wouldn't have actually thought. Okay, see, the colors are changing. Um, uh, it's very cool. Mm, um, they're doing all this with just canvas. Let's do this thing. Ball dot Velix minus ball dot Velix vel y. Now do the same with this. Let's do the same with this. Uh, and yep, do we have it? Yep, two balls. You can see this one goes from here to there and bounces back and forth. We can add like angles also to this, so that could be very interesting. Uh, one thing that they did wrong was one thing that did wrong was add it like in this way because then we are getting the same color for both of the balls and we don't want that to happen, so they could have done this, and now we for different balls we get different value. uh, okay. Yeah, obviously the logic is faulty, uh, but yes, because the logic is faulty because it should not it should also like be related to the angle and also to the size, but yes, we can change the direction of the balls too using this, and that's very impressive actually. I like it a lot. Mm. Now um let I equals 0 and Let's try to slow it down a bit. If I mod 10, if I mod 10, then do this, or I plus plus, like I plus plus in any case. So let's see if does not slow it down. It breaks it actually. Let's remove the request manipulation. Yeah, slows it down, but does not look very good. So we have kind of a logic. Let's slowing it down 5 times. Half the speed is good. So we can see it properly. Interesting stuff. How much time did I stream till now? So now it's properly visible what's happening. And yeah, if you want to add some more, like I know how to do this, so I'm not going to add anything into this. But yeah, if you want to add some angle logic or that, you can do that. It would be like really cool. Uh, for me, currently, this seems fine. Because you will have to also see if it's a head-on collision. You'll have to see the size of both the objects. You'll have to see the initial velocities, and so all that. If anybody wants to do that, yeah, feel free to. That would be actually interesting because currently it's not uh like very like very physics accurate. That would be actually very physics accurate. Interesting stuff. What we'll do, let's just see what are the topics that we have to cover next. JavaScript guide. Mm, how long is this? Okay. We'll do this tomorrow only. Uh, I'm kind of tired today, but yeah. Bye bye, guys.